In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your email campaign using System.io. If you get any value out of today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that all-important notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video to this channel. So let's head over to System.io, and once you've logged in, you'll head over to Emails, and then you'll head over to Campaigns, and in the top right-hand corner, you'll select Create, and you will give your campaign a name. I'm just going to call it campaign 1. You can then provide a description for it, and you can select save, and your actual holder of all your emails, this particular campaign, has now been created. If we want to go actually create the actual emails, we just select into the campaign, and here you'll see that we have no emails currently listed. So what we'll go do, we'll head over to create, and here you can enter a subject. Your sender name and your sender email would have been configured at the time at which we authenticated your email domain within System.io. Go and reference that video if you haven't done so already. And you can here either select a classic editor, which is just a normal text editor, or you can select a visual editor, and you'll have 2 templates that you can then select from over there. Generally, I prefer classic editor. I go select save. The email is now being created. And in this section over here is where we can go and create the body of the email. So hi, and we can go and insert any variables. So we can go and select their first name for argument's sake, if we got that as part of their purchase, and create the body of your email. Thank you for your purchase, your product, etc. Once you've created the body of your email and you're happy with it, you can go and stylize it according to your preferences. You head over to the right-hand side. If you had any attachments that you wanted to add, you could go and do that. If you wanted to link any particular words, you could just go and highlight that particular word that you would like to hyperlink. So you head up to the link button, go and select that. You place the URL that you're linking to, go and select OK, and then that'll hyperlink that text with the URL that you just inserted there. So once you've created your email, you can then go select save and publish. You can then select whether this email gets sent after any other emails. In this case, because it's our first email, there is no other emails that you can select. And then you also have the option of selecting the delay. This would be set to 0 for it to be sent out immediately. You can then also set up a time and a date at which that email can be sent, or on particular days at which that email can then be sent as well. Go and select activate. And if we head back to our campaign, you'll see there's our first email. We'll then go and create our second email. And this is email number 2. And once again, everything else pre-populates. Go and select save. And you would go and create your body of your email again. And do whatever stylized formatting that you want to do. Link anything, add attachments. And once you're done, you go and select save and publish. And this time what we would want to do is we would want to go and select that it gets sent after our first email. And now you can define how long after that first email do you want it sent out. Do you want it sent out 1 day later? You could also define whether it's hours, minutes, completely up to you. And we'll just say 1 day. We'll go and select activate. And then if we head back to the campaign, you'll now see that we have 2 emails in there. Our very first one, which there's no delay, it gets sent out immediately. And our second email that is going out, which I spelled incorrectly, and that'll go out on day 1. And that's how easy it is to create an email campaign within System.io. And once we create our sales funnel, we'll attach this campaign to that sales funnel, and it'll automatically start sending out emails based upon when people purchase from us. And with that, we've completed the setup of our email campaign. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that all-important notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video to this channel.